December. It's getting closer to Christmas Eve. I'm going to do as usual. I'll take one of the rock stamps, or not stamps, dice, sorry. Let's open it and see what it is. Number 6. Oh, it's a triangle. Oh, it's a wild boar. Huh. Quite usual where I live. So, oh, it's like 3. There's the little pig. I'm supposed to put it on there. You can't see it, can you? Let's put some. I put some color on it so I can see it. Just like that. The background here should be yellow, and the triangle around it is usually red. Nice. Warning sign. There we have number 6, a Jessink stamp. Oh, nice. And as the text says, you warm my heart. You warm my heart. Let's stamp them up. Oops. There you go. Cute. And number 6. Just some tingle tangle, some sort of thing. Nice. You can see. This one is from Jessink. You warm my heart. Du värmer mitt hjärta. And this, maybe it's upside down. Yeah. And this pig from Rockstamp. Yeah. See you tomorrow. Bye.